Hi friends, I'm Jess, one of Napa Valley Wine Academy's educators. I'd like to tell you a bit about our WSET Level 3 exam prep workshops. Over the course of 2 days, we spend time working on tasting and theory. I'll get to share with you all sorts of tips and tricks to help you maximize your points come exam day. I've been teaching this workshop for over 2 years now, and I've often said that it's one of my favorite things to teach. It's an intense 2 days, but so rewarding. Our classes tend to be small, ensuring each student gets exactly what they need from our time together. For tasting, we'll spend time calibrating your palate and reviewing best practices when it comes to following the WSET systematic approach to tasting. We even do a full mock tasting exam on the morning of the second day. You'll not only get immediate feedback on your tasting skills, but also have your notes graded so you can see exactly where marks were awarded. The bulk of the workshop, though, is spent helping you craft excellent responses to short written answer questions. As you know, SWAs are often a stumbling block for students on exam day. We'll work through 20 SWAs over the course of 2 days. You'll practice writing out your answers, and then we'll go through each question point by point. You'll have the opportunity to ask questions, read your answers to the group if you'd like comments, or just listen and take it all in. These 2-day workshops are held once a month and are a great refresher as you're ramping up your studies in preparation for your exam. I hope to see you in an upcoming workshop.